Hey guys, so these are the things that you'll need to replace your AC clutch. So first, you've got these two, which are circlip pliers. If you're gonna have one, definitely have this one, because with this one you can reach both. Flathead, spanner, a wrench, a rubber mallet, handy for pushing in the bearing, and your spare parts. And you don't have to have it, but definitely a impact wrench with a T, I'm not sure if you can see that, but that's a T30 attachment. Alright guys, so we're just gonna replace the clutch and hopefully the bearing for the AC compressor as well. So first off, what I did is remove the air intake so I can have access there, because I can pretty much get my hand in there. But right now I've just driven the car, so I'm just gonna let it cool down for a while, and yeah, I'll get back to you in a second. Alright guys, so we're gonna remove, if you're looking at the AC compressor, we're gonna remove this one, which I believe is a, what is it? Anyway, that's a T30. Yeah, T30 there. And this one, if you've got the belt on, let's remove that one, T30. One second, I'll be back. Alright guys, so we've removed it. This plate just comes off very easily like that. So we'll put that aside. Lovely. And then the rest, you'll need a pulley for it. So for the first one, you'll need a circlip plier, because if you can see here, we'll need to take off these pliers. So you'll need this circlip plier here. Quite hard with me. Alright guys, so we've got the circlip out. That's one. Now what we'll do is to loosen that, just to loosen the tensioner so that we can pull the belt off. Right. So you'll have a 1-inch ratchet that goes, I'm not sure if you can see, right there. Okay, let's pop it in. All right. So now we'll just pull up, and then with my other hand, which is I'm using for recording, I'm gonna pull. Now the belt is off. Oh yeah. See that? That sound? The bearing is most likely gone as well. So now what we'll do is loosen the connections. Go. One. And then for this, you'll need a 3-draw puller, which is this one, and we'll connect it there, and hopefully we can take it off. Alright guys, so we are going to position the puller here. So now, so this is the top view, by the way, guys. Sorry, it's probably the best. Maybe not. Maybe I can get you from. Yeah. Anyway, so if you can see that, I'm literally just gonna twist this until we get it out. Whoop. So I think this is the most difficult part of this because we're not aligned. Here we go. I'll get back to you guys in a minute. Right guys, so we are going to position the puller here. Yeah. Anyway, so if you can see that, I'm literally just going to twist this until we get it out. Right guys, so we got that one out. Yeah, that's probably the hardest part of it. So now we're just gonna remove this. Yeah, we're just gonna remove this big ass circlip right here. Not sure if you can see, but I can't even see. So, see this? This, we're gonna remove that. So, wish me luck. Ooh. Boy, I can't see. So there's that circlip there, and this should be easy to pull out, and there she goes. The upper part, the other part Just make sure it's the right size. Anyway, let's give it a go. Putting this back, just be mindful of this one, of this pin right here. It goes only in one spot, which is that one right there. So if we actually put this back, then we're just gonna put the circlip back. Whew. So I've managed to put that one back in, but let's just make sure that we've got it all in place. I reckon we'll just tap it in, hey? Bring it back in. So the new one will go on top. And let's see how that goes, hey? I'll be back with you. Alright guys, with that there, just try to hammer it in if you can't. The way that I did it is definitely hammer it in. Yeah. And now what we're gonna do is put that circlip back in there, in this groove right here. Alright. Alright guys, so we got that one on, the circle is on. So now we're just gonna put this one on here. And that's it. Alright guys, moment of truth. Oof. So everything's sorted out. Let's see if she's good to go. Oof. Alright. Let's see. And she's spinning! Ah, no fucking way. Oh, mate. Yeah, still good. Sorry about that spinning.